It's Universal Studios Day! We made it! Okay, walk it. I've never seen it Christmassy before. These are Grinch trees.
The entertainment capital of LA.
So,
oh, we gotta get in that line.
early admission.
You're not going. It's so big. Just like it actually is. What are
They
those?
lined up for?
Oh, the Ollivander's Wand Shop.
Really?
Yep. They do.
Oh.
There it is. Wait, we made it to Springfield.
Another large line donuts.
We'll first go here. Nothing's open yet, but...
Not till 10.
What time's the ride open?
I don't know. Pretty.
Filmmaking can be broken down into 3 stages: pre-production. Take a look at some great filming examples in Courthouse Square.
I wanted to become a filmmaker. I like films that just take you away from your real life and...
Night Rider.
On the left-hand side, you're looking at picture cars. A picture car is any car that shows up on screen.
Whoa, look at that.
In many instances, these cars are just as famous as the actors and actresses who drove them. But what you may not know is that these aren't the only cars used during filming. They have multiples of the cars in case they might need to damage or wreck a car during a stunt. And you can't talk about stunts without referencing the Fast and Furious franchise, right? Of the props and picture cars used in the earlier Jurassic Park movies. The most recent film in the franchise, Jurassic World 2, is in theaters earlier this year, breaking box office records. Now, I'm sure many of you will recognize over there on the left that mobile lab. That's the one that was... Oh my gosh, everyone, I'm so sorry. I forgot to tell you about the dinosaurs.
Whoa!
No, it's okay, everyone. Relax. Really, it's okay. Relax. There's a window right here keeping me dry, so I didn't get right?
I was scared they're gonna blow water at my camera.
I appreciate it. It's very kind. Thank you. But seriously, you can't have Jurassic Park without dinosaurs, right? It's one of the most important elements. Equally as important in the Jurassic Park films, the weather played a large role. Speaking of weather, here's today's show's outlook, the forecast. Right about now.
Whoa!
This is movie rain. No relation to movie film. This rain is a result of some sprinklers strategically placed at high points. They shoot the water up into the air. Then it comes back down naturally, creating the effect of rain. What about this flash flood that I was talking about? That's not going to happen, right?
The light.
Wait, say it again. What?
It's on the roof.
Okay. All right. Hold on. Car 3 is telling me to look to the left. Everybody look to the left. Thanks so much for your patience and cooperation. So here inside of Stage 50, you're going to get a great example of a hot set. Please remain seated and hold on to your belongings, and I'll tell you what a hot set is. A hot set means that everything is in place and ready for filming. All that's necessary. Is everybody okay? All right, so like I was saying,
There's like fire over there.
is everybody okay? Does anyone need water? You in the back? All right, let's go.
It's a good neighbor.
And Psycho has the distinction of being the first American film to feature a flushing toilet. Speaking of scary, we're coming up to one of the sets for Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds, starring Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning. Yes, that is a real Boeing 747 that was bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible. Yes, those are real cars that were bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible. And yes, over there on the right-hand side, that's a real mailbox that was bought and destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible.
The airplane press site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had. And for
I smell popcorn. It's warm, but not quite that warm.
So, where do you want to go?
Mommy,
Fell down this? We're so bad.
you just go.
Take out so many people, too.
Other times you're playing defense. I wish I thought of a better punchline than just a
Can we
straight
go on the
basketball
line?
analogy. Once I got into it, I was like, oh, there's something good here. That, guys, she's not saying, okay, so we're going to close our...
What are you doing? There's sidestepping, is that? Get up here!
He's so mean.
Show some strength!
Here, just go right here.
Get up here!
That's the Decepticons and Earth's democracy. So as we say on my
Try to help. This is me, though.
spark? No, that's not it.
What?
What's the all spark again? That's the cube thing.
As you continue your training, I will teach you rookies all I can. But looking at the lot of you, let's be honest, I am not overly optimistic.
Hey!
So, come on, what is it now?
The name is so like
Okay, couple of things. I'm running low on the WD-40 and the mattress in my barracks is a little squishy. Also, I was thinking about taking a couple
the
of...
Harry Potter thing too. You probably have seen so many different things. Have we waited in line for 3 hours?
Yeah,
I'm happy to see it.
but that's 3 hours of your day. But they make it at least worth it, I guess.
No one in here. Something bad's happening.
What if there's an actual emergency while we're in here?
I don't know.
Because we'd just be like, oh, this is part of the ride.
Part of the ride.
Can you read me?
No.
This is theater stuff.
Okay, I can. I can read the words. It's weird that he has subtitles.
Photography of any kind. Hold on to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated.
Extraction team, this is Optimus Prime.
Optimus!
Autobots are taking the battle stations in Nest and the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can. But the future...
And Alex the lion.
I don't care about Alex.
Okay, you gotta get in with King. Okay, well, I'm in the back of their picture right now. Yep. Oh, look, it's Gru.
I don't know if that's the way. That's the way to have your...
There he is! Can we get a picture with the queen? They're dancing. Let's see if we can find Waterworld.
Here's the snow. Hey, what's up?
You selling waffles?
Yeah, I am selling waffles. You wanna buy some?
I'm good right now, but I'll be back.
Are you sure? Yeah. All right, man. Bring some cash. It's only $89.95.
Oh, there's like people there?
We gotta make some more eggnog. More eggnog. We got some that's spiced. You know what I'm talking about.
We gotta get the fruit loaves out.
Did you mean to match your outfits, or did that just kind of happen? It's fantastic. Normally he's the one that wears the suns out, guns out. Yeah, we got
Okay, that was just part 1 of our day at Universal Studios Hollywood. I filmed a lot, so the video would have been way too long. So the part 2 will be up soon, and it will have Waterworld and more of Harry Potter and the light show on Hogwarts Castle. Thanks for watching.